Hello everyone, in this video we will learn Excel trick for blank cell. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So with the blank cell, so the first trick I'm going to use add zero number. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Okay, then press the Ctrl G and here the go to dialog box is open. Then click on the spatial option, then click on the blanks and click on OK. Here the all blank is selected. You can see. Now to just press the 0 and you can see the first cell is showing the 0 number. Okay. Simply press the Control plus enter. Don't press quickly enter. You have to press Control plus enter. And that's it. Here you can see 0 number is added in every blank cell. Okay. I use here the Ctrl Z to undo the actions, and I show you the second trick, fill color. Okay, same as select the entire data, press the Ctrl G, and here the go to dialog box is open. Click on the spatial and click on the blank and click on OK. Here the all blank cell is selected. Now go to the home tab. In font group, click on the fill color option and select the color those you want to fill. So I select this one and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this both tricks, so please subscribe. Thank you so much.